Thinking about buying a home but don't know where to start? In about 7 minutes, I'll break down the entire home buying process step by step so you can move forward with confidence. I'm John Green, Realtor in the Charlotte, North Carolina area with over 25 years of experience. I help buyers navigate the buying process with less stress and more confidence. I work for first-time buyers, upsizers, downsizers, and everyone in between. If you're thinking about buying or just curious, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss tips like these. Before you tour a single home, get pre-approved by an experienced lender. This tells you exactly what you can afford and breaks down the numbers for you. A great lender can also improve your credit or suggest financing options you didn't know exists. Now here's a tip. Don't bother pulling your credit scores or working on your credit by yourself. You ever get lab results before you hear from your doctor? You might try to interpret those results on your own, only to find out from your doctor later on that you were way off. Just like you need a doctor to explain your lab results, you need an experienced lender to pull your credit scores and explain them. Additionally, trying to improve your credit on your own may not be the easiest path, and you may even hurt your credit score. Next, let's define your needs, like the number of bedrooms and school zones versus your wants, like a big front porch or a gourmet kitchen. Remember to consider commute time, internet providers, number of stories, and the neighborhood amenities. Think long term. Will this home still work for you in 5 or 10 years? A great realtor is your guide, advocate, strategist, and unlicensed therapist. Every agent loves people and houses, but that's just the start. Things to ask. How many years of full-time experience do they have? What professional designations do they hold? How many homes have they sold in the last 12 months? Amongst other things, your realtor will help you find listings, schedule showings, negotiate your offers, understand your loan terms, schedule inspections, and suggest contractors for improvements. Your realtor will resolve problems all along the way. Now it's time to tour homes. Focus on layout, condition, and location. Look past decor and consider red flags like roof condition, HVAC age, or foundation issues. Here's another tip. You will love your home, and you should. You may think you never want to move from here, but a home is an investment. Maybe the largest and most important investment that you will ever make. Therefore, always keep in mind, buy your home thinking about selling it. Ask your realtor what other buyers would think about the features of this home. Once you find the right home, your realtor should do 3 things. Interview the listing agent, investigate the history of the home, and prepare a market analysis. With this info, your realtor will put together an offer. This includes price, due diligence fee and period, and closing date. Once your offer is accepted, we enter the due diligence phase. This is your chance to inspect the home, negotiate repairs, and finalize your loan. The home inspection, the appraisal, survey, and title search are completed now. Closing day is when it all becomes real. You will do a final walkthrough of your home with your realtor to make sure the home is in the condition agreed on. Your realtor will go with you to the closing attorney's office where you'll sign your paperwork, wire the funds, and get your keys. Buying a home doesn't have to be overwhelming when you have the right plan and the right team. Whether you're 6 days, 6 weeks, 6 months, or even 6 years away from buying, I'm here to help you plan ahead. Want a customized roadmap or just have a few questions? Please reach out anytime. I'm just a call or a text away. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on real estate and everything else.